Hello guys, welcome to Cyberworld Technologies. And in the previous video, we discussed about how to means we discussed about Android Studio. We discussed about where to develop our code and what kind of codes, what are the codes we use in the Android Studio, and how to install them and how to get the code, and if you have errors and where you can get the answers. We have discussed about that in the previous video. Now let's discuss about different types of layouts. Open Android Studio, you can see this here, like here, let's see here, start a new Android project, and this is here your application name. So I will give it an example. Layout. So here your package name here in dot several technologies dot example, and here what's this, and it's the company domain. If you have a domain, and you can use here, and it will use the package name like this, and don't change anything. Next, click on next, and here see here, and we are developing Android apps for and phone, mobile and tablet. So select this, and here the versions means the basic version is Android 15. It's recommended. I will discuss this about in the coming videos, why it's recommended for to take a API 15. So now we are using this marshmallow and nougat and Oreo, but it's recommended for taking API 15, but for better usage. And after that, click on next and select empty activity. And here there are different types of activities, but we don't want that now. Select empty activity and click on next. And here it will generate a main activity and a layout file activity main. Click on finish. It will take time. I am skipping video. Here you can see it's open, but it's loading, it's running graded. And don't do anything until it's successfully complete. And here you can see it's showing running. Don't open any activities, because if you use any activities during build, it will crashes the Android Studio and you want to open it new. So here see, you can see that it's saying completed successfully. Now let us go for this is, and now let's see here main activity dot java, and here this is where we write all the Java code. And let's go for XML file and see. I said that we'll discuss different types of layouts and different types of views in this video. Let's see a preview, and see here this is the layout called constraint layout, and here a text view with a text hello world. And see here, this is the text view, which is this, and it's the layout. The whole view is the whole screen is designed in constraint layout. Let's change the layout to relative layout. Relative layout is another layout. Relative layout, yes. Here, this then this the position of the text view is changed here, and again I changed this position. Like dragging like this, you can change the position of this views. And let's see another layout called linear layout. See here, now this is the linear layout. It's giving some error because in the linear layout we can't use this layout align parent. And let's remove, and I will remove this also. So it's the error has gone. And this is the linear layout, and this is a text view. Here see, this is the linear layout, and here you can't drag this. You can only drag by doing horizontally, but you can't drag it vertically or to another position. So leave it here. And this is the one of the view. And let's see for button view. And here they go to design, and here different types. See here, button view, image view, and I will select this button view and drag it to here. See, a button is appeared here. So now go to text. Here you can see, by dragging and placing, simply by dragging and placing, here some text has already placed. By this means you can decrease the time uses, so you can manage the time by using design and text. So here the button. And now about width and height. What is wrap content? Width, layout width. What is width? The width is, this is the width, means you can, I think you can know that what is width and what is height. Let's see what is wrap content. And here, what is match parent? Let's see what is wrap content. Wrap content means it wrap the contents, means it will not take extra space more than inside the value. See here, the text is button, means it will takes the only, it will surrounds the text, or in this text it will surround the text. So here see, if I change it to the match parent, what will it do? Let's see, let's change. See, there is no change because here a text view is placed. So if I remove this text view, what happens? It will takes all the space of the parent width. So this is called match parent, means the width of this button button view is parent's width is taken by the this button view. So this when I remove this text view, the the whole width of the parent is taken by this button. So if I change this height to match parent, let's see what happens. The height of the button changed, means it taken the whole parent area. So if I change again to wrap content, see here, wrap content. So exchange, and you can also put some size, definite size. So like I will give it size of 20 dp. See here, it's changed its size. I want about I will give it 50 dp and it's now changed, and it's recommended to use wrap content. I will change this to wrap content. See here, now it's changed, and I will give it a text view hello world. So I want this text view. See here, again by due to text view, the size of the button is decreased. So see here, I will change it to wrap content. So see here, you can see text view. I will change it to hello world. See here, now you can see that wrap content, then it's surrounded, the margins of the view is surrounded the text. And yes, if I remove this layout weight is bit I will removing this, and see here it worked. Wrap content width, yes, now if the button width is now the means it's wrapped the text inside this button. So let's run this. Yesterday I said about Android emulator, so now let's see what is Android emulator. Let's see, now let's run this, and it given Android connected devices, virtual devices, and this is the virtual device, and I selected that, and gradual building, again it building the app to install on the virtual device. It will take time, so I'm skipping the video. And this is called Android emulator, virtual Android device. You can test apps without a physical device, like in this virtual device. Let's see, let's wait for building. It's running again. Gradual build running. I think it is taking more time. I will skipping the video again. Yes, now it's now see this here, installing APK, updating, launching activity. See here, it's launched in this virtual device. Let's see here. Yes, we are seeing that here there's text view. Wait, yes, this is the text view, and here hello world is the text view, and here the button, and here the button, and there are many types of views like image view. You can also put image view. We can discuss what images and how to put images in this Android app, and we will discuss about scroll view later on the usage, because we can't use the scroll view here because there is no enough content to use scroll view. And here the layouts, different types of layouts. Constraint layout we discussed, guideline horizontal and guideline vertical. Linear layout we discussed, linear layout vertical, linear layout horizontal, and frame layout, and table layout, table row, table space, and like this different types of layouts. Yes, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.